The dark web is a mysterious part of the web that most people only get to with the Tor browser, and it hosts sites that aren't accessible through regular browsers. In today's video, we will reveal to you 7 ways people on the dark web make money. If you don't want to miss them, stick around. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Selling stuff on the black market. The black markets are the soul of the dark net. Why? Because it is the most obvious way in which people make money on the platform. Some of the products that you can spot there are drugs, ammunition, stolen gadgets, face masks, personal IDs, and services that are awful to mention. But this is not just the end. In the products list, various legal goods are also sold with equal fairness. Number 2. Theft on demand services. This service is quite popular in Europe and North America. What is shocking is that all this can be done for a percentage of the value of the item. Now, how does this service work? Well, services are sold on the internet openly, like you can book a cab, flight, hotel rooms online. In a similar way, you can get various products like gadgets online through the theft on demand service. All you have to do is hire the services of a thief from the dark net, but obviously this is not any strong morality. Number 3. Hiring a hacker service. Another source of income in the dark web is hacking, as individuals or companies target their enemies with hacking attacks. Hackers can steal and resell various information, change school grades, work details and business systems, crash websites, and many more illegal acts. Number 4. Selling your identity. Hackers and other individuals look for identity of well-respected citizen to leverage to help them gain trust to open up bank accounts. The problem with this approach is that it is a short-term stint of around 60 days, because the value of your identity declines. Because once your name saturates the market, these people won't be able to use it anymore in whatever way they want. Number 5. Stealing and selling others' identities. Unfortunately, this is a very common activity, the theft of other identities to be resold on the dark web. Hackers usually target large enterprises, because with just one hack, they could steal tens of thousands of social security numbers, dates of birth, and individual names, enough for someone to leverage these individual identities for scams or other personal gain. Once the identifiers are gained, these hackers troll the message boards in the dark web, or know of specific websites where these can be traded. Number 6. Increasing Twitter follower count. This is not entirely illegal, but you can maximize the dark web if you want to increase your Twitter following or any social following. So in just a few clicks, and a small amount of money, you can easily be a proud owner for a ton of new Twitter followers. Number 7. Illegal match fixing. The way illegal match fixing works is that a fixer has an athlete or team already lined up to lose a specific sporting match. As an investor, you give a certain amount of money, and the fixer guarantees a percentage back, sometimes as much as 50%. The fixer uses the capital from the investors, and places very large-scale bets on matches, and makes a profit for himself and for the investors. In the past, people rely on messengers to deliver money from activities. This was the best way since they remain anonymous for one another. However, more recently, another mode of payment has risen in the digital world: cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. It works like real money, but in the digital setting, and it's more suitable for the dark web, since there is no specific person linked to any transaction.